Hi guys! Are you looking for the best alarm system kits? If you received a new alarm system kits, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best alarm system kits on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Let's started on this video. Link on the description. Number 1. Staniot Alarm System Kits. Link on the description. Number 2. Kerui Alarm System Kits. Link on the description. Number 3. pgst Alarm System Kits. Link on the description. Number 4. Gautone Alarm System Kits. Link on the description. Number 5. Mulo Alarm System Kits. Link on the description.